The Galactic Classification Bureau's emergency session had been called for the first time in 4 millennia. Representatives from every major civilization packed the chambers, their various forms of anxiety on full display, feathers ruffled, tentacles writhing, plasma fields flickering erratically. Director Yixmal's 3 hearts beat in discord as she initiated the presentation. Fellow sapients, we have made a terrible mistake. The holographic display showed Earth innocuously blue and green, rotating slowly. Every being present knew it as humanity's homeworld, classified as a Class 12 Deathworld, the previous maximum rating. Gravity that could crush most species, weather systems of unimaginable violence, tectonic instability, and a biosphere where everything evolved to kill. Our recent deep-scan analysis has revealed. Yixmal paused, her vocal sacs trembling. Earth must be reclassified to Class 14. Chaos erupted. Class 14 was theoretical, a mathematical impossibility. The Vorthan ambassador slammed his claws on the podium. Impossible. The scale only goes to 12. Not anymore, Yixmal continued grimly. We discovered factors our initial surveys missed. Factors that explain why humans are the way they are. The display zoomed to Earth's ocean. 71% of Earth is covered in dihydrogen monoxide, a universal solvent that dissolves almost everything. Humans not only survive this, they recreational swim in it. For fun. Gasps echoed through the chamber. It gets worse. Earth's moon is abnormally large, creating tidal forces that would tear most worlds apart. These massive gravitational fluctuations happen twice daily. Humans find them soothing. The Zephyrian delegate fainted. Their atmosphere is 78% nitrogen and inert gas mixed with 21% oxygen, which is literally fire fuel. Every breath they take could combust. One lightning strike should turn their entire atmosphere into a planetary firestorm. Instead, they've harnessed electricity for entertainment. They run it through metal coils in their homes. On purpose. But surely their evolution, someone protested. Ah yes, their evolution. Yixmal's tentacles drooped. Everything on Earth evolved from extremophiles, organisms that thrive in conditions that would instantly kill normal life. Boiling acid? They have species there that love it. Radiation that would melt our DNA? Earth creatures use it for energy. Pressure that would crush titanium? They have life at those depths. She brought up a new image. This is a tardigrade. A microscopic Earth creature that survives vacuum, radiation, temperatures near absolute zero, pressures 6 times greater than their deepest oceans, and can resurrect itself after decades of complete desiccation. This isn't their apex predator. This is what humans consider cute. The Etherean psychic clutched his consciousness nodes. The humans themselves? Pursuit predators who can track prey for days without rest. They leak salt water from their skin for thermal regulation, literally dripping acid by most species standards. They can see in the spectrum of their sun's peak radiation. What they call visible light is deadly radiation to half the galaxy. They drink poison for pleasure, eat capsaicin for the pain, and their young play by flinging themselves from heights. But Class 14? The Altarian's feathers had gone completely white. What pushed it over? Yixmal displayed the final data. We discovered Earth exists in what humans call the Goldilocks zone, the perfect distance from their star for liquid water. Do you understand? The universe had to achieve perfect conditions to create something this deadly. The odds are so astronomical that Earth shouldn't exist. It's not a death world, it's an impossibility that achieved consciousness. What do we do? Someone whispered. More concerning, Yixmal added, is what humans are doing. They're terraforming Mars. Trying to make it more Earth-like. They consider their impossibly deadly world not dangerous enough. They're trying to make worse ones. The human observer, who'd been sitting quietly in the corner, raised her hand. If I may. Every eye, sensor, and consciousness turned to her in terror. You think Earth is bad now? She smiled. You should have seen it during the Permian extinction. Now that was exciting. We're actually trying to bring some of those species back. Purely scientific interest, of course. The Classification Bureau unanimously voted to create classes 15 through 20. Just in case.